Just imagine producing a tornado with two bottles and a twin lid. The twin lid has threads on both ends, so two bottles can be screwed onto it. Take two ordinary lids with holes, place them back to back, then tape them to make a twin lid yourself. Screw on a twin lid to a long plastic bottle. Then screw this assembly to another bottle filled with water. You will see two bottles joined together with the lower one filled with water. Now invert both bottles and give them a rotary shake. You will be utterly surprised to see the water swirl around like a vortex and fall into the lower bottle. With two throwaway bottles, you can make this terrific tornado.